Hello, Dr. Cisse covering anatomy and physiology. Today I'll be presenting the animal cell. This is a cell. It has a cell membrane and the nucleus and the nucleolus inside of it, right? You can see here the smooth ER and the rough ER. The difference between the two, the rough ER is a rough because it has ribosomes. You see the mitochondria, and then you see some free ribosomes floating around inside the cytosol. Here you see the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus and the centrioles. Now let me tell you which one does what. Of course, the cell membrane is there to protect the cell, to hold the cytosol inside of it and the cytoplasm. And the cytosol and the organelles together are called the cytoplasm. So only the liquid, the gel-like substance, it's not like a water, it looks like a jello, like a albumin from the egg. That's going to be the cytosol. It's kind of like gooey a little bit. And then all the organelles together with the cytosol is called the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Each one has a function, a job. For example, if you look at the nucleus in the middle, it's not always in the middle. Sometimes it could be to the side or it could be sink at the bottom, depending on the shape of the cell and the type of cell. But the nucleus will also have its own nuclei inside called nucleolus. One nucleolus, many nucleoli. Just one nucleus, many nuclei. And the nucleus has the pores. What are the pores? Holes. What happens? Things go in and out of the nucleus through those pores. Okay? Then when you look at the nucleus itself, you will see it is very close to the rough ER because during protein synthesis, the mRNA, right, comes out of the nucleus through the nuclear pore to go to the ribosomes on the rough ER. That's why the rough ER's function is to make protein. The rest are made by the smooth ER, like the carbohydrate and liquid. The ribosomes also are there to make sure that during protein synthesis, they can make free protein floating around or protein used for the cell. Those proteins are made by the free ribosome. But the bound ribosomes here make protein that are intended to be produced or secreted by the cell. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It produces the energy the cell needs to be able to do its function. Now, if you look at the Golgi complex, it is like the post office of the cell. When proteins are made by the ribosome on the rough ER, they are transported out to the Golgi apparatus, who will package them, store them, and ship them or keep them inside the cell. So basically, that's going to be the basic stuff that you need to know about the cell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in class.